What is going on YouTube? Tyler here, and tonight I'm going to be doing a video that I've been wanting to do for quite a while actually. This is a quick overview of my Victorinox Swiss Army knife collection. In this video, I haven't decided if I'm going to do the 58 millimeters yet, but this is going to be 90, 93, 91, 111, 74, 84, and you know, few things here and in between. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right on into this. So for the first one here, this is a Deluxe Tinker. This was the first one that I ever actually got that came with the nice little pliers. When my neighbor gave me this one, it was like completely seized up. Kind of forgot about it there for a little while, so I just kind of let it sit. Then one day I let it soak in WD-40 for a couple of days, and I put it in my ultrasonic cleaner and it cleaned it up great, and it also, as you can tell there, freed it up great too. This is a Fieldmaster 91 millimeter. This is one of the, if not the first Swiss Army knife that I ever bought brand new myself. Got this one quite a while back now, and I bought it for its tool set, and it got used a ton. This is a Spartan Light. This was my first Swiss Army knife that had the light built in. Super cool. This next one is a Recruit. Nice little 84 millimeter. One of my favorite 84 millimeters. I don't care what anybody says. This is a great little pocket tool. This is a Tinker 91 millimeter with the rear Phillips. This is a Spartan. Walnut handles, very, very nice. It's a neat little Bantam that I found at a gun show a couple weekends ago. Really nice condition. I like the Bantam too. This is a super cool climber. Check this out. Look at that. This is a 2022 Winter Magic Deluxe Tinker, or Super Tinker, excuse me. This is a 3-layer with the beautiful wood handles on it. Like, this is what I consider to be the perfect EDC. Actually, this is my collection one, and then I just ordered another one for my actual EDC. This is a Farmer X with the wood saw, as well as the scissors, as well as the incredible scissors. The widest factory A-locks you can get, 4-layer. This is a Spartan PS Black. All of the tools and implements on this guy, you guessed it, are black. And it's just got this super cool look when you look at it from really any angle. This is a beautiful knife. This is a Swiss Spirit 2022 Cadet. Super, super nice little knife. It's got this beautiful embossed, I don't know, yeah, you can tell in that view right there, it's embossed. This is a Topo scaled Spartan. It's a 91 millimeter. This was part of the Marlboro Adventure Team. This is a fairly recent edition. You'll see a few others in here. This is a fairly beat up 84 millimeter Spartan. It says Heinz on it? Kynes maybe? This one is unfortunately not in the perfect condition that I typically like. It does have a chipped blade, but it's also got engraving on it, which is kind of neat. This is one of my favorites. This is an 84 millimeter Celador scaled Electrician. Get your Phillips on the back, main blade, as well as your electrician's blade. These were only sold through Radio Shack, which is kind of neat. I got this for a really good deal, considering what they sometimes sell for on eBay, so love that little guy. Super cool. This is an old economy scaled Wader. Yet another Recruit. The first A-locks I ever bought. This is just a Farmer. Bought this in 2017. Beautiful knife. Cannot stress enough how beautiful that piece right there is. Beautiful blue. Camera does not do it justice. I guess that kind of does. It's a real dark, like cobalt blue almost. Just lovely. Another Bantam. A nylon scaled Spartan. This is a Swiss Army 7 is what they call it. And it's just like a Farmer, but it replaces the can opener with a pruner blade. This is a gunmetal. I'm not sure exactly what they call this, but it's the 2022 Special Edition, Limited Edition A-locks Pioneer X. Really, really nice tool. This is the older Marlboro Adventure Team knives. I've got 2 of these. You'll see the next one. Actually, I'll just go ahead and knock it out. Right here. Another climber, but in blue. This is a Ranger. I got this for a really good deal. Lovely, lovely tool. Super, super neat. Carries pretty good too. It's not too big. One of my favorites here. This is a Timekeeper Compact. 91 millimeter. This was part of the Marlboro Adventure Team. This is a fairly recent edition. You'll see a few others in here. This is a Farmer. This is a Swiss Army 7. This is a nylon scaled Spartan. This is a Swiss Army 7. This was the first A-locks I ever bought. This was in 2017. Beautiful knife. Cannot stress enough how beautiful that piece right there is. Beautiful blue. Camera does not do it justice. I guess that kind of does. It's a real dark, like cobalt blue almost. Just lovely. Another Bantam. A 91 millimeter. This is It's got a Swiss-made analog timepiece down in the bottom. Other than that, though, it's just a standard compact. A Windows Mobile Cybertool 29. Got your bit driver and all that. Really, really cool piece. This is a Cybertool 29 as well, but with an Apple logo inlay on it. Here's a black Spartan. The only reason I got this was because it was like $5 and it was so scratched up, and I got it so clean, minus all the fingerprints. But here was a Halloween Tinker right here. This is an original 1908 soldier knife. See the stamp right there. Beautiful, beautiful knife. I am so proud of this. It's got the Victoria Ting stamp on it. Gorgeous. Very good condition. Came from Switzerland, actually. Speaking of Switzerland, here is another climber, but with Switzerland. Here's a silver Old Cross Alox Electrician. It was in really rough shape when I got it, but got it pretty good. Super good deal on this one too. Here's a red Alox Cadet. Tiny, tiny, tiny tool. 84mm, 2-layer. Really disappears in your pocket. I actually EDC one. Lovely. Here's an Old Cross pruner. Got your main blade, as well as your pruner blade on it. Also from Switzerland. Beautiful yellow. Pretty good shape. Yet another Old Cross. This is a Pioneer. Brass liners and no keyring. Here's a camper. Nice condition. Very nice condition, actually. I've never really paid much attention to that. This is a neat one. Digital Camo Super Tinker. Love that guy. Beautiful. Here's a Alox soldier knife from 1997, year I was born. This is a Swiss Army 1, similar to the 7 minus 6. Single blade, so pretty self-explanatory. This is an Evo 18. In yellow, obviously. Bright as all get out. Here is a really, really nice. This is the 2023 special edition Pioneer X Alox. Just obviously an electric yellow. Here's a hardwood cadet. Or compact, excuse me. Another beautiful tool. EBW. Don't know what that stands for, but this was $10, so I'm not going to decline that. Climber. In this like nice blue Silvertech scale. This is a pretty old with the fluted corkscrew. I think this is either a Champion or a Craftsman. I'm not sure. This is an 84mm Tinker Small with a gold cross on it, as well as the square Phillips with can key and clip point blade. 84mm My First Victorinox H. It's got the round tip blade, a wood saw, and the combi opener. This is another Tinker Small with the round Phillips and the can key in there. And a scale that apparently everybody wanted to buy in the Swiss Army Knife group, so fill me in. Here's another Tinker Small, this time with a silver logo. Same round Phillips, but no clip point. Just got the standard blade. Here's an old economy scaled lumberjack. 84mm saw is pretty cool. This is a Tourist. I love this one. This is another gold cross, clip pointed, 5-turn fluted corkscrew, which is pretty cool. Here's an REI 50th anniversary, and I think, hear me out, I think this is an original Traveler. It's got a fluted corkscrew, no back hook, but it has the keychain, which is kind of strange. Here's an old Climber Small, missing the inlay sadly. 84mm, obviously, with the scissors, with the single spring, and a square Phillips with, obviously, the can key. Pioneer Alox, Stay Glow rescue tool, one-handed, super neat. Locking blade too, of course. This is a 111mm Fireman, slide lock Fireman at that. 08 soldier knife made in 2013. This is a Forester. Non-slide lock, unfortunately. It's a Ranger Grip 79. Super cool tool. Huge. Look at that. This is a wood-handled Forester. Very fine tool. Silver Hunter Pro A-Locks. Beautiful tool. Red A-Locks Hunter Pro. And then my two Swiss tools. This monster is a Workchamp XL slide lock. Includes every tool that was ever put onto a 108 or 111, excuse me. This is a Swiss Champ XLT. Got this one in person at Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Here's a walnut Swiss Champ. A yellow scaled Swiss Champ. That used to be my EDC that I put these new scales on. The two different ambassadors that I have. It's a Nail Clip 580. The Winger Esquire that you guys saw me clean up. Sterling Silver 925. My two A-Locks money clips. The three Victorinox floral knives that I have. My day packer. $10 at Walmart back in the day. BSA knife. Boy Scout knife. Single blade. This is a Pocket Pal. Similar to the BSA knife, smaller blade, and then a absolutely tiny pin blade. This is a Windsor stainless steel handled version of the Ambassador. Almost forgot this. This is a Hunter with the reindeer scale in olive drab. Beautiful. Three Swiss cards I have. Swiss Card Light, Swiss Card Quattro, and a Swiss card. Very cool tools. And you all remember, last but not least, the beast of a knife, XAVT. What a unit. Beautiful, incredible tool. Well guys, that wraps up this video of the overview of the larger part of my knife collection. We'll come back and revisit the smaller keychain size 58mm in a part 2 video if you guys would like that. Thank you all for watching this, and I will see you in the near future.